Good morning. Depending on where you are, you could need an umbrella or some sunblock on this Earth Day. We are looking at a slim chance of spotty rain in the northern central regions, but further south will be sunny with very high UV rays today. In highs and central regions will be a few notches lower with that cloud coverage, while southern provinces, especially in Gyeongsang-do provinces and surrounding regions, will have highs that are nearing 30 degrees Celsius this afternoon. Meanwhile, Gwangju and Jeju will be going up to 25, Busan at 21 degrees this afternoon. Decent air quality is expected nationwide during the day today. But the dryness in the air gets worse with a wind advisory in place now on the eastern parts of the west coast. The risk of fire continues today. Then early next week, we're looking at heavy rain along with strong winds. But until then, be cautious about fires. With that, here's a look at the weather conditions around the globe.